Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to change email address on Epic Games account. To change email address on Epic Games, first of all open a web browser. In the URL box type in epicgames.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Epic Games account as well. After you are signed in and you are in the main home page, go to the top right corner and mouse over to your profile icon. In the expanded menu, select Account. This will open up the account settings page where you will be able to find the email address tab. Click on the pencil icon right next to the email address tab and then type in a new email address you are trying to change to. After typing in your new email address, click on Continue. On the next page, enter the email verification code that will be sent to your new email address and type it down in the text box correctly. Now click on Continue, and soon after you do that, you will be able to change your email address for Epic Games. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.